everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, meet the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome, where innovation meets adventure. Whether you're a weekend wanderer or a full-time road warrior, this all-new model is designed to take your travel experience to the next level. Built on Hyundai's reliable commercial platform, this motorhome blends sleek, modern styling with practical functionality. The aerodynamic profile isn't just for looks, it improves fuel efficiency and handling, even on windy mountain roads. Under the hood, the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome comes equipped with a 2.5-liter turbocharged diesel engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It delivers smooth acceleration and a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, perfect for bringing along bikes, boats, or even a small trailer. Step inside the cockpit and you'll find a surprisingly refined driving experience. Hyundai's SmartSense suite is standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system to make maneuvering a breeze. The interior is where the Hyundai Motorhome truly shines. The living space is designed for comfort and versatility, featuring a full kitchenette with a 2-burner induction stove, a convection microwave, and a dual-power fridge. The modular dining area converts into an extra sleeping space, while the queen-sized bed in the rear offers hotel-like comfort. You also get a compact but functional wet bath, complete with a water-saving shower system and composting toilet, perfect for off-grid adventures. Storage is generous, with smart compartments throughout the cabin and exterior access panels. Tech-savvy travelers will appreciate the built-in solar array and lithium-ion battery bank, supporting up to 48 hours of off-grid living. With onboard Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, and integrated voice control, staying connected on the go has never been easier. Stylish, smart, and ready for the road, the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's your passport to freedom,